We're in Olympia, Washington, and I'm with Lynn Christensen at Hunter's Pumpkin Patch. And you've done a magnificent job here, Lynn.
Thank you.
And what kind of paints do you use on a project like that?
Well, on this I used acrylic, and then I just put a little bit of finish on it so the rain wouldn't get at it so bad.
Yeah, this is really clever where you've used several together and actually made a person out of it. And of course, any of the acrylics or the poster paints you could get probably at almost any craft store or a place like that, couldn't you? Yeah.
Right.
And look what Lynn has done here. This is great. How'd you get this idea?
Well, he was laying there, and I thought that sort of looks like a pig, and so I put a face on him. He also has a tail back here.
Oh, is that right?
Well, that little stem coming out I thought was a good tail.
Sure. And these are the paints then that you've
Yes.
used in this?
Just acrylics from a craft store.
Okay. And is this a varnish that you've used on top?
I spray varnish these, but this is for children's safe. And you can get this in a craft store also, and it's water-based.
Okay.
That will coat something and finish it.
Sure.
So that it won't chip off. Or...
You know, as I recall with my wife, when she's done it in the past, when she uses the poster paints, I think she has to put them under cover, doesn't she? And the acrylics, I think you can use out in where
yes, they wear better.
Yeah, much better. Okay. Look, we've got to share another one with you back here. You've done a really neat job on this one.
Just started it. It's going to be finished, and I'm hoping to put some flowers on her and something that'll look like arms.
Yeah. Now, this is the kind of brush that you use to this?
On most of this, I use this brush, and it has a point on it so that you get a nice edge.
Oh, I see.
But a flat brush, any kind of a craft paint brush, would work just for your open work, you know, if you were doing large areas or straight lines.
Now, you were telling me that sometimes you have to put more than one coat on them?
Well, this doesn't cover on a pumpkin all that well, you know, with one coat. It needs at least two. So if you let it dry, and then put another coat on, because it's what you call picks up.
Okay.
If it's still damp and you try to put another coat on, it starts pulling off.
Sure.
So
and the importance is that you only do one color at a time, don't you? You
yes.
let it dry.
It could bleed together, and you don't. Then you get through mixing.
And for our viewers also, we want you to see the pumpkin pole, not a totem pole, but a pumpkin pole. Thanks, Lynn. That's all the time we have today. Hope you can join me at the same time next time. And remember, our relationship with the planet today is tomorrow's future. Have a great week.